Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this VIVO device. Begin by opening Devices Settings and accessing Display and Brightness. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, tap on the best option for you. And when you're ready, select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Vivo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!